Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this integration. We have the formula in here. So we put number 7 goal here. So that means 7 plus 1 we have number 8. This one we have number 8. So we have s to the power of 8 over number 8. The integration of number 1 you got about s because this is about the constant. So that's why we have 1s. So I will put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.